This week we're switching gears a little bit, and we're leaving the tools of modalities and moving into some of the assessments. Flexibility is one of them that we're addressing. In your study guide, what we're going to do is kind of move you along into this lab activity where we'll have you look at a muscle's flexibility, and you're going to assess it qualitatively and quantitatively. So I wanted to help you understand the difference between these two and make sure that you do. So in a quantitative assessment, we're looking for a number, perhaps from a goniometer in degrees or centimeters, from a measurement to tell us how flexible the muscle is. So for example, let's look at the hamstrings. A quantitative number from the goniometer would tell us the angle that the leg comes up from the table. So if they can bring it straight up and down, we got a 90-degree angle. If they can't, maybe they can only bring it up 75 degrees. But it's a number that you can write down and repeat the test and look for that same number, okay? A qualitative measurement, though, is more general, descriptive, based on the functional ability of that muscle flexibility. So words we're going to use are mild, moderate, severe, or normal, or for limitations, or there might be excessive mobility. So let's look at the hamstrings again. You might have, if somebody can bring their leg up to quantitatively 75 degrees, then, and they're maybe a lineman on the football team, and so you would say there would be for him, a mild limitation, okay, based on his functional ability. If this person was a gymnast, though, and she could only bring her leg up to 75 degrees, this would be a severe limitation for her functional ability. So her qualitative measurement's going to be different based on what they need to use. So that's what you'll be doing to with these 6 muscles. You're going to assess them qualitatively and quantitatively. And if you need to be creative in your quantitative measurements, then that would be great. Some of them you will have already learned or already know what to do because there's some standardized tests, but some you might want to make up.